Egg, bacon, and cheese breakfast tacos are one of my favorite things to wake up to in the morning. Hey, it's Jenna here from Sit Bite Go, and I'm going to show you how to make these breakfast tacos from scratch. First, you need to scramble the eggs with salt and pepper. All you do is keep them moving in the pan so the liquid sets but doesn't burn. Then you add in the cheddar cheese and set the pan aside. Next, you can use that same pan to heat up your flour tortillas. Add some cooked bacon, then add some of the scrambled eggs and cilantro inside. Now you have to fold over the edges to make the taco shape and then flip the taco upside down. Once the taco sets, you can keep making any more for any guests that you have and enjoy them with some of your favorite condiments like sour cream, salsa, or avocado. I love making these breakfast tacos for lunch when we're kind of running out of items in our fridge because we always have eggs, bacon, and flour tortillas. Well, get more recipes like this one at sitbitego.com, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Cheers!